everybody. My puppy is right here by me. So we are going to celebrate sunflowers today. And I'm Francine with Stamp Scrap Go. And there's a blog, stampscrapgo.com. And there is a YouTube as well. So don't forget to maybe look at that YouTube because there's a lot of videos on there telling you how to do things. I'm having a hi Susan. I'm going to go down to my desktop now, and we're going to celebrate sunflowers, which is on page 17 of the annual catalog. And there's some very examples, including a slimline, and this one uses the mountain air. So you can see that it's usable with any situation. Okay, so I did a fancy fold. Let me get that a little closer. There's a fancy fold. Let's celebrate, and let's celebrate you. And there's enough space up here to write whatever you want. Okay, I forgot to go to the actual stamp set, and it's a bundle. So there is congratulations on reaching a whole new level of wonderful. Let's celebrate you. Thanks a bunch, and know that you are loved. And there's two sunflowers and a bunch of leaves. And this one goes with this, and this one goes with this, and of course the two leaves. But there's an addition of a leaf, and I'm not sure what these are, but I think they're hay, and this detailed sunflower, and this goes on top of that. So this is a bundle, and well, it's actually not a bundle. The stamp set is 24, and let me look up the well, I know it's in here. Actually, oh, there it is. Sunflowers are 33. So it used to be a bundle. Okay, so I found this one on Pinterest, and I did a little of my own thing on this. And there's nothing inside. This one I stamped all of the Cajun craze and made my own DSP, and then I put Winka Stella, not sure if you can see that, Winka Stella on it, and know that you are loved, but I didn't put anything on the inside. I should. And then this one I created on my own, and it has little teardrops, of water, so that you know that it was raining, and congratulations on reaching a whole new level. So I'll show you these, and this one folds down. Okay, so we're going to create a stamp set. But first, let me stamp the sentiment. And first, I'm going to do a little airbrushing on here. So that it's kind of, oh my goodness. This one was quite stout. And on these brushes, all you have to do is wash them with water. Do not use soap. And I'm going to use black tuxedo. And it's a little crooked, but and I'm going to use the Pick-a-Punch. Okay, I need to get it in there and make sure it's straight. That's a little too wide for the card. So let me clip that off. And we'll do it again. Make sure that you center it. There we go. Okay, so that's the stamping. And this is the flower that I'm going to use. And I'm going to use my Seal Plus to put down my glitter paper. And I'm going to use these are I think these are hay. So I'm going to use a little bit of glue to put these down. And I'm not using a whole lot of glue. I'm just using a little dab. Because that's going to go under the flower. And this is going to go up on dimensionals. So I'm going to use a lot of dimensionals. And I'm not thinking that it needs any bling because the glitter paper is enough. And dimensionals on this. And then I will put leaves in. And I'm going to use just a dab to place my leaves. And I colored this with blends. Whoop. And so that creates a little bit of a shadow, and I will put a white paper in here. I know this is very quick. It's very, very quick. But I just wanted to show you how many different cards you could make with this. So that is my card making, and you can still get the bundle. You can still get these dies for $33 and $24 for the stamp set. So that's my card making. That was really fast. I'm not sure if you can see the Wink of Stella on this. I wish you could, because it's very beautiful and it reflects. So, thank you for joining me. Hi, Jeanette. Thank you for joining me. You have a lovely day and have a great afternoon.